Microphone is on. This is John with Plumtite. We're at 5304 Briar Hill. 5304 Briar Hill. So we just got done cabling this line. I'm going to go ahead. I'm at the main now. We're roughly 78 feet out. My counter's reading 7711. So we're going to go ahead and start pulling back. Our pipe at the tap is concrete. First joint looks good. Second joint looks good. You can see the aggregate where the concrete's washing away. You can see a little bit of the aggregate, the pebbles. So far, our joints are looking well. What was that? That's a gasket. It's probably never been right since the sewer was installed. That's a gasket that pushed out of the way there at the 7 o'clock position of the line. Okay, so that's probably been there since original install. You can see here you go. You can see on this one that was a little bit of that gasket material pushing out in that joint. But the pipe alignment is good. Okay, there's a little bit of paper waste. No. No, if it was leaking, the pipe would offset itself. But this material is very heavy. Okay, it's very heavy. That's why we don't use it anymore. Okay, concrete sewer.
Oh, concrete.
Yeah.
I was trying to say, it doesn't even look like a pipe.
It's concrete pipe, right?
Yep. So,
Very durable.
got a little bit of some buildup right here. Looks like that's a root intrusion at the bottom of the line. See right here? Where it's kind of damming up on you. And the water's just kind of pushing over and flowing out. Okay?
Yeah.
So, it's not as bad as what I've seen. Okay, now we're in. Okay, and that's right outside the house. Do we have bushes right out front?
Yeah.
Yep, that's what it is. Roots are growing in from the bushes.
Get rid of the bush.
Okay, so we're right here at the cast iron transition now. So we're coming back up under the house.
There's plants all around this house.
I'm not sure where this comes out in the street, though. Where it goes to the garden.
I can get you a map of your tap.
Yeah, I want to see which.
Okay.
I want to know which
So,
bushes are intruding it.
as I pull back closer to the house, grease buildup increases.
Normal.
Well, it's normal but not healthy.
Right.
It's not the best case scenario.
I guess I'll just use Dawn from now on, huh?
Yeah, it'll help. Okay, so that's our side lateral. Why don't you go ahead and flush that toilet over there for me? So I'm 6 feet 11 inches in, so I'm just right out here
Okay.
on the other side of that floor drain. Now watch. He's going to flush the toilet, and we're going to watch the water sink by. There she goes.
Oh, there we go. What's that there floating? Soap?
It's grease. It's just built up in that line.
That's a smell I don't think I'd be able to get used to.
Sewer gas.
Well, I assure you, all you have to do to get used to this is have a few kids. Okay, once you have a few kids and you come home to them, you know, because the thing about kids is, I don't mind the fact that they need 3 meals a day, but damn it, they want it every day. And so, you got to stay out there working.
Yep, I remember that. I had 4 kids.
That's a funny way to put it, but it's completely true.
I had 4 kids and they're all out on their
So
own.
we're almost back to
Except my youngest.
the base of the clean out. Now, right there, you can see how that's really greasy. But watch as I turn this water on. Okay, this is where we're going to start to see that water shoot right past me. 1, 2, 3. Boom, there's the water. Okay?
Clogged artery.
And that's exactly what's happening. You've got clogged arteries, and the damn thing had a heart attack.
There you go.
And that's exactly what it is.
It makes so much
So-
sense when you phrase it like that.
on.
Well, what it really should have we have a machine called a jetter hydro cleanser. It's kind of like taking a water brush to a baby bottle. Okay? And so it's a pressure washer for your drain system. All right, and instead of having but the pump on it is an upstage pump. It'll have a pulsation feature on it, where it'll just and it'll beat the hell out of all that stuff, beat it out of the line.
Wow.
All right, and then it will. So instead of having a gun on the end of your hose, we got little nozzles.
Yeah.
Okay, with
High
little,
pressure?
with little bitty needle holes on it. And so as that line's going down, that water's spraying out. We're pressuring that machine up to anywhere from 1,200 to 4,000 psi.
Right.
Okay, depending on what machine you got here. But that's what's coming. The pressure that's coming out of those little holes on the head. It's not what we're pressuring your line up to. That's what we're scrubbing your line with.
Right.
So it's literally, like I said, taking a brush to a baby bottle. It'll just scrub it clean.
So you get the original surface? Can you get that close?
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah. We actually between my jetter and my miller, if you wanted it, I can make that line look like a rifle barrel.
Wow. That's awesome.
Okay, I can take it right back to iron, just have all of the rust, everything out of there, and give it a rifle finish.
Wow.
So, okay, so we're going to end the inspection.